Good morning everyone and welcome back to another vlog. So I have just got changed. I've been sorting my room out because my family are coming. They're going to take lots of my stuff home, so then it's not so much of a struggle to get everything in the car when I actually leave in 2 weeks time. That's so mad. In 2 weeks today I will be leaving Courts forever. That makes me so sad. Like, I've made so many memories in here. I have loved living in halls. There has been pros and cons, but I will miss it a lot. Although I am very excited to move into our house next year. I think I'm going to be doing actually a pros and cons of halls and a house when we actually move to the house. So I actually know the pros and cons, but in my head I kind of have an idea of what I want anyway, and I've already got some like comparative things. So I think that's definitely going to be a video idea. And my family should be here any second, so that's very exciting. Can't wait to see them, and I can't wait to go out and get out of the house today instead of just be constantly in revising, because it is very, very sickening. We're currently in New Look. New Look is Dad and David's favourite place. Yeah. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Can you think of anywhere better to be?
No, definitely not.
Mum's looking for some holiday clothes, aren't you? Yeah. Yes, for her trip. Pardon?
That's what I say, I only need something basic.
Oh.
But I like it long.
Just tell everyone where we're going for lunch? Yeah, we're going to Tower Bar for lunch. Make sure I'm in focus. Why are you laughing? So we've just come into Tower Bar for food. Me and Dad went to the bar and we ordered everyone's food. So Mum's having Cajun chicken, David's having a meat feast pizza, I'm having a sweet chilli wrap, and Dad's having a chilli. That's right, isn't it? I've got a recorder leg strawberry and lime because it's my favourites. And we're sat up in this nice seat at the Tower Bar. Wave. So David went for this meat feast pizza. Are you excited? It looks so good. The food just came really quickly. I definitely recommend, if you're in Lincoln, come into Tower Bar, because you don't actually have to be a student to come in here. I've got this wrap as well. So we've just finished our food and we've come into town to try and find Mum some ice cream. We're going to go have a look and see if there's like a van around anywhere, but not too sure. Not too sure. How's your food?
It's very good.
You do good. So I just came to show my brother the cute little ducklings, but they weren't there. Literally the only time I go to show someone they are not there, so I can't be asked. But yeah, I'm cheeky and asked Dave to take a pic for me in this outfit because I actually quite like it. It's quite chilled. Would you want an outfit pic? For your Insta? Oh, my hairlight looks good. Boo. Packing everything into the car and bringing everything out. It seems so weird, like bringing everything. My room's gonna look so empty afterwards, but yeah, we're just packing now. So my family have just left, which is so sad, but I'll see them again in like 2 weeks, because it's literally 2 weeks today until I move home. As I said, I think I can't remember if I said the other day or this morning, I'm feeling very disorientated. It's so weird when your parents go up to uni. It's just really weird, because it's like they don't belong here, but it's like nice to see them, and it just feels not don't belong, but I feel like you'll get me if you go to uni already. You'll be like, it's so strange when your parents come up to visit you for like a couple days. I just feel really disorientated. But I think I said earlier that I'm very sad to be leaving courts. Yeah, I did. I think I did. I'm very sad to be leaving courts, but I'm also excited for the next year coming. Also a bit nervous because everyone says the jump from first to second year is massive, but I'll obviously let you guys know when that occurs. I'm really excited to start creating some more like uni content in the summer, like a lot of like chatty, oh god my hair, a lot more like chatty videos about my different university experiences and trying to help as many of you out as possible. I'll do like frequent Q&As, so then I'm constantly answering people's questions and also like sharing the answers to other people's questions with you, because some people might forget to ask me stuff and then be like, oh, I'm glad someone else asked it, because then I'll have answered it, if you know what I mean. I feel like I'm making zero sense. But anyway, I'm just gonna go see the girls in the kitchen. My brother was talking to Hattie and Megan for ages about psychology, because it's one of his options that he might do. Not next year, but when he comes to uni in a couple of years' time. I think he was just chatting to them about the course and like what he likes and they were just being honest with him, like about what they thought about the course and everything, whilst me, mum and dad were like taking everything out. So yeah, that's nice. I'm gonna go join them in the kitchen now and we're gonna do some revision together. Woohoo! We're all zoomed in. So I've just been replying to loads of your wonderful comments, and thank you very much for all the support. Also, thought I'd give you a little update. I thought you'd want to know. So I had a little email earlier whilst I was out with my family from my crime scene investigation leader? I don't think that's the right word. I think it's module coordinator. So basically the person who's in head of the whole module. And she sent out an email saying that the grades would be put up shortly for our crime house assessment that I did a couple of weeks ago. If you aren't aware, I'll let more light in because that looks a bit grim. If you weren't aware, there was like a lot of issues about the crime scene house after I'd come back because I'd accidentally uploaded my vlog. The day earlier than it should have gone up, and I had to have like a meeting with the university because it was technically an academic offence and they needed to like go through all the procedures. It's all fine now, and I've actually got my grade back from that assessment. If you didn't watch that vlog, and I didn't really speak about it as much because I cut out a lot of that section, we did an aggravated burglary dwelling, and we were in groups of 4. And we all had to give each other a role, or we had to like choose a role between us. And I was actually the crime scene investigator. There was also a photographer, a sketch artist and a crime scene manager. And we had to like just go to the scene as if we were crime scene investigators ourselves. Photograph everything, photograph the scene, make sure we made contemporaneous lab notes, find all the evidence, recover all the evidence, safely package and store it, etc. And like treat it like an actual crime scene. And we were assessed, we were being watched, we were being analysed, all of our actions and all of our decisions. And then we sat an hour paper afterwards, and that was written, and that grade has come back, and that altogether corroborates for 50% of my entire module, and then the other 50% I'm sitting on Tuesday in my actual written exam in the exam hall. So let me get up. So overall I got 74 out of 100, which is a first, and I'm literally buzzing because it's like taken off so much pressure for Tuesday. As it's like my first exam of the summer, I have been a little bit nervous because I need to get back into that whole exam routine, like walking into the hall, because that makes my anxiety like really panicky, like walking into a room full of loads of people and it's like silent and just really strict conditions. It's made me feel a lot less panicky because I know that I won't need to get like full marks to pass the entire module at the end of it. Like I'll only need like a small percentage, and obviously I'm going to strive still and try and get the best grade I possibly can in the exam too, but it has taken that pressure off, which I love, and it's just made me in a really good mood. And today's been very, very lovely seeing my family, and I'm very happy that I've got that grade back and we're all good to go. So yeah, buzzing about that. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna chill for a little bit, and then me and Hattie are gonna play 94%. It's basically this game. It's this game that we've been obsessed with. Me and my boyfriend used to play this all the time, and I think because we've got so far into it, or we might have even completed it at the time, there's probably been several more levels added since, but it's this game called 94%. It's literally an app and it's called that, and there's like different levels. You get a picture round and 2 other rounds on each level. You have to sort of like say what you think like the general public have said, and it's like 94% of the general public. I'm not very good at explaining this, am I? But it's just a really enjoyable game, and it's a very nice distraction and break from revision. I'll give you an example. So we have animals with horns. If anyone knows any animals with horns, please let me know. So far we've got bull, goat, rhinoceros, buffalo and antelope, and we still have 2 remaining answers that are pretty high, that quite a lot of people have said. So if anyone knows any other animals with horns and wants to help us out, then that would be very much appreciated. Thank you very much. Sorry I didn't end the vlog last night. I had a really bad headache and was just chilling in my bed. I was expecting to finish the vlog, but I must have just like knocked out, and I went to sleep for about 12 hours, so I really needed that. Oh yeah, that's what I was going to say. Good luck to anyone who's starting their exams now. I know there are some people who watch me that are doing their GCSEs, so good luck to you, especially if you had an exam today, because I think the first GCSE exam started today. I hope you all did amazing. Push yourself, but make sure to give yourself breaks. I really hope everything goes well for you. Don't get disheartened if you've had a shit exam. Everyone will have had one in their lifetime, so don't feel like it's just you. I used to get very down about exams, but just think that if it really goes that terribly, you can retake it and it'll be fine. I know I wouldn't have wanted to retake, that's why I've pushed myself so hard, but it isn't the end of the world. There are other options. And yeah, just good luck to everyone who's starting their exams today. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for a brand new video. Hit the thumbs up if you like this vlog, subscribe down below if you're new, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.